Oh. Okay, go ahead.
Just start whenever ready. Okay, guys, so for today, I'm going to be doing my examples of Newton's laws on Newton's first and second law. For Newton's first law, it states that an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. For my first law, I'm going to be using the childhood bow and arrow. When you pull back the arrow, it is at rest, and it's going to stay at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. But when I let go, it launches. This is because the bands snapping back on it are launching it, causing it to go in motion. Another way that this is an example of Newton's first law is that whenever it does launch, it's going in motion in the same speed, in the same direction, in a straight line, and that is going to keep staying in motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force, which in this case is the ground because it stops it. This is why the bow and arrow would be an example of Newton's first law. For my second example, I'm going to be doing Newton's second law. And Newton's second law states that objects with more mass will take more force to move, and objects with less mass will take less mass to move. So to prove this, I'm going to be using a spring scale with my softball. This softball is 154 grams, and this golf wiffle ball is only 7 grams. So obviously, the softball has a greater mass. This softball only requires 2 newtons of force, and the golf wiffle ball requires less than a newton of force. And so, because this softball has more mass, not more weight, but more mass, it is going to take more force to move. And because this golf wiffle ball has less mass, it is going to take less mass to move. Those are my examples.
Okay, let's give it